One of the most important things to be done in the world is to liberate human beings from their compulsiveness and instincts and pave the way for going beyond. All human issues and problems are essentially because most human beings are not exploring the depth of freedom that they have in going beyond their compulsive tendencies, which could have evolved over a period of time with various karmic accumulations. If we do not do this, that we do not pave the way for a large part of humanity to live beyond their compulsiveness and instincts, but more consciously, if we do not do this, humanity will remain, or human potential will remain unexplored to a large extent. If human genius has to unfold in many different ways, it's important that there must be a conscious and stable platform. Otherwise, the fear of suffering will restrict a human being. Consciousness means your way of being is determined by you. If your way of being was determined by you, naturally you would make it highest level of pleasantness. So once you're very pleasant within yourself, there is no fear of suffering. It is then that you will really take full stride with your life. Otherwise, life will become a series of half steps because the fear of what will happen to me, the fear of suffering is always lurking in human mind. So paving the way to go beyond compulsiveness and instincts is the most important thing that needs to happen in today's world where we have achieved such levels of conveniences and comforts because of science and technology in the last 100 years. But it has also taken a toll upon our lifestyles, upon our way of living in the world, our ability to communicate with each other, and above all, it has destroyed the biodiversity upon this planet, in many ways threatening millions of species into extinction. So, if we live consciously, we clearly understand and experience that our life is not an exclusive possibility, it is an inclusive existence where every life is contributing to our life and we in turn have to contribute to every other life. There is simply no other way to live. So conscious living or becoming conscious not only enhances individual human experience, it is the only way forward to do something which is compensatory upon this planet, which can turn this planet around to rejuvenate itself, is just to create a conscious planet. There's simply no other way. Let's make it happen.